What's up everybody guys, so today we're gonna unbox this pocket knife from Shopee, which is really cheap. So let's get into it. So we'll open this now. This wrap's really great, so your pocket knife is really safe inside, and yeah. So it has a bubble wrap, so means that your product inside is really safe. Seems like our seller is really caring for the customers. So here is it guys, the box. So yeah, so they say it's not original, but hey, it's still a knife, so yeah, show it near to the camera. So I will open it now. Oh, it has some a holder, pocket holder, so you could put it in your belt, maybe. Yeah, it's for your belt. See, there's a belt strap holder. Yeah. Anyways, so here's the knife inside. I'll open it. Some manuals. Oh no, it's not a manual. It's a guide. A survival guide if you are lost in the woods, or yeah, it will help you in surviving in the woods or anywhere place where you're stuck at and you have no things to do. Yeah. So here's the knife. The knife is heavy, has a plastic and rubber handle. Yeah. It you can see there's an engraved named Gerber. Yeah, it looks like authentic, but they say it's not real, so it's fake. But still, it's a knife, though. Yeah, still use it, unlike fake phones. Yeah, still a knife. It's metal. It's really solid. And yeah, that's it. So hit like if you like this video, and please subscribe for more unboxing. See you in the next vid.